Done. Pray and hope that these command strips don't rip off my wall. Hi! Hello my beautiful YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Hallie, if you don't already know. So first of all, I sincerely apologize for my appearance right now. If I'm being completely honest, I am really not feeling the best today, but that does not affect the video you're about to see. So a long time ago, when we first moved into this house, I had made a moving vlog and then I had lost the card, but somehow by the grace of God, Chris found the SD card when he was looking under the couch the other day for something. He also came up and was like, I found an SD card. And I was like, I was a mixture between mad because I looked everywhere for that stupid card and very happy because I could share it with you guys now. So I actually asked you guys on a poll on Instagram if you guys would actually even like to see the moving vlog, and I had an overwhelming amount of yeses. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me because I do polls like that often to see what kind of content you want me to produce. So basically what you're gonna see is us moving out of our old apartment and into this new place we're staying now, even though it's already been about 9 months. Also, in the footage you're about to see, I talk a lot about going to class, going to practice. If you guys are new to my channel and you don't know, I was a stay-at-home mom and as well as a full-time student, but luckily I graduated this last May, so I am no longer a student athlete or a full-time student and mom. Just warning you guys, you'll hear me talk a lot about I have to go to class in a little bit or I have to go to practice in a little bit. So just be aware that I'm actually no longer I no longer have dance practice and I no longer have class. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I thought it was really fun to watch 9 months ago even, like what my personality is like and everything. So let me know in the comments if you think I've changed at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hello. We are moving and this is my moving vlog. I'm so excited. So we're basically just moving into a bigger place, which is really awesome. We're still in the same kind of area, which is cool. I have so much to do today. Our apartment is a freaking mess right now, but it's 12:10. I have to leave by 12:45. But my only goal for today is to take everything off the walls. Like back there, we have nothing. We don't have much in this apartment just because we knew we weren't gonna stay here for long, so we didn't put up a lot. And then I also, other goal was to pack this bag full of clothes. This bag looks really small, but you can fit a lot in here. And I think I can do that fairly quickly. We're excited, let's go. Done. Okay, so to put everything in that was on the walls, I'm just gonna put everything in this hamper because I purposely did all the laundry. That way we wouldn't have to take home dirty clothes. Oh my gosh. Over here looks so empty. Oh, I forgot about the key things on the wall. Let's do those real fast. Pray and hope that these command strips don't rip off my wall because I think our landlord would be very mad. We're good. Everything's fine. This is the first thing that I've done in this moving process. And it looks so empty already. I mean, besides for the fact that everything is literally, you know, messy. Wow, that made me dizzy. I apologize. We got to get the thing off the wall in the hallway. And then I think that's everything besides the baby's room. This bad boy is the next thing to go. Now I'm gonna just pack this bag full of clothes. I'm only gonna do this for like 5-10 minutes, so I probably won't even pack the full bag, but that's because I have to get ready to go to school and then wake up my baby. I'm pretty much gonna like pack all the clothes that I know I for sure would not be wearing in the next like 24 hours. I'm gonna pack some of my husband's clothes. Not a lot, literally just as much as I physically can cram into this thing. I'm starting to get really excited as this empties out. I'm purposely doing sweaters like last because I want to fit as much clothes as I can in here as possible to get as much out as I can. And if I put all my sweaters in here, I'll be able to put like 5 things, and that's just dumb.
I'll wave like it's nobody.
This is quite filled. I think I'm gonna leave that here because I'm really terrified that I'm gonna be late to class. After I'm done with class, I will come back and finish off packing this bag. There's a line on the wall. I think I drew it and never erased it. Oh no. Oh. Really? Bam! It's so empty and sad. I have lots of homework to do today, so I'm just gonna fill the rest of this bag and I'm gonna go do homework. And then once I'm done with the homework that I want to get done for the day, then we're gonna move some more. But I want to make sure I get my homework done before my husband gets home because then we're gonna move a lot. I'm just gonna fill up the rest of this bag, stuff it nice and full until I cannot stuff it anymore. Oh my gosh. Okay.
We've been on and off again and again.
It is now pretty full. We're full, but you know what? It's got side pockets. Our apartment's messy, don't judge me.
I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher.
Look at this. She's packed. All right, I'm gonna go put this by our door.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Everything is a mess. Oh my gosh. We got the couches out. Baby, hi! Hi! What are you doing? Look at how empty our room is now. Paisley just fell asleep. We're in our new place, which is awesome. We're still renting right now, so it's so much bigger. This is our makeshift baby gate for now because we haven't bought one yet. Paisley's spending the night at my parents', so I'm gonna go out and buy one tonight. I'm standing in our bedroom, our master bedroom, which I wanted to be cute, and I wanted to set up all of our furniture before Chris got home from work. That way, like, it would all be done by the time he gets home from work. He can just relax. I wanted to get a head start before I went to practice because I'm about to go to practice right now. We left the screws in our other apartment and Paisley's sleeping, so I can't go get them. Everything's laying on the floor or not put together. So basically what I want to do right now is I just want to slowly go through things and grab things and slowly put them away. I'm not really too concerned about it as of right now. Did like a thing of laundry, so I'm gonna fold this laundry. I don't have hangers to hang anything up, but I think I'm just gonna kind of place them and fold them on the shelves. That way we can use this basket for more stuff. So also I didn't bring my tripod here yet, so some of the angles might be a little weird. You gotta do what you gotta do. Am I right or am I right?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be, life with no distractions.
Okay, I'm back from practice. Wow, it's kind of dark. I'm just back in our apartment because I'm starving right now. I'm gonna make myself like a quick snack, and then I'm just gonna pack like all like the little things, like all the like essential things that we need, like chargers, my computer, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, kind of that kind of stuff. That way if we don't move everything in tonight, or we can at least like function for tomorrow morning when he has to go to work. I'm literally sitting on my floor in my kitchen in our apartment. Yes, my plant is here because I don't know where to put it. I have a bunch of reusable bags and I think I'm just gonna fill them with a bunch of stuff. I already filled this one with a bunch of essential things, but I think I'm gonna fill these with like kitchen stuff because we have brought in 0 kitchen stuff over to our new place. think I'm just gonna take these 3 bags right now, and I'm just gonna go over and unload these 3 bags. Also, keep in mind, we're not moving very far, so like I can go back and forth and it's really not gonna affect much. But I think I'm gonna go over there, unpack these bags that I have and maybe a couple of other things over there. And then I think I'm gonna do the kitchen first. I feel like that might be the best idea because we already have clothes, we'll have our bathroom stuff. I think kitchen stuff first. I also have to put a baby gate up because we now have stairs, so we need a baby gate for Paisley. Okay, so Chris actually texted me saying that he wants to go out for dinner tonight, and I'm not complaining because we have a night alone without the baby. So the baby's with my parents. So we're gonna go out for dinner, which is super exciting. We're gonna finish packing or unpacking, I guess, later. But yeah, I've gotten quite a bit done. Also, I wanna go show you my view for my backyard right now. Look at how gorgeous. And you can't see it, but the sun was shining through right there, but isn't that so pretty?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Good morning. So today is day 2 of moving. Also, look at my mug. It's frozen. Paisley's still at my parents' house for right now. I have to go pick her up pretty soon. So I have to move with the baby, but I have to quickly run back to the apartment just to grab a couple of random things. This is actually really too hot to drink, and our old apartment's pretty close. So I think I'm gonna go back to the old apartment, grab a couple of things, and then come back and drink this and kind of unpack some things while I drink it, and then I'll go to Meyer because I need to wake up a little bit before I go pick up my child. Yeah, anyway, I gotta run.
And I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one bottle. No more pain, all in vain. Let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Hey guys, yes, I'm wearing the shirt I wore yesterday. I just threw it on because I wanted a tank top on. I'm filming this because I want you guys to know that not everything is great, not everything is fantastic. I'm literally shaking right now. Not in the best mood right now. Paisley won't sleep. She won't take her nap. And the baby gate that I literally just went to the store and bought this morning doesn't fit. So I think that we're gonna have to end up using the one that screws into the wall. Man, I'm gonna cry. I'm just way too stressed right now. We'll figure it out. I wish my husband would text me back. I know he's at work right now, but I wish he would text me back and tell me what to do because I don't know what to do at this point. Okay, I'm back now. I feel a little better. My husband texted me back and told me just use the one that screws in the wall. It'll be fine. Also, I had a little bit of lunch. I think part of the reason why I was feeling so much like anxiety toward this was because I had coffee. I basically have just had caffeine and sugar today. Not the best. I feel a little bit better after I ate. Paisley did fall asleep, which also makes me feel better. Anyway, I'm kind of just blabbering on because I'm procrastinating. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that baby gate and see if I can figure out how to put it and screw it into the wall. All right, so I can't figure out the baby gate. I can't do it right now. I don't get why this is so difficult. I don't understand why they make this so freaking hard. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of go through some more stuff, I think.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Nah, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty.
So that's where we end for the day. I know it's kind of like an abrupt cutoff, but I guess you can kind of tell of what time period I lost my card, and I'm sure that as soon as I packed up all the bathroom stuff, I drove over to this place we have now and set everything up and then lost the card then. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also have a really fun idea to do for a possible a possible home decor video that involves thrift shopping that I really want to do. So let me know if you guys want to see that video. If you do, please subscribe because I think I'm gonna make it anyway. So please subscribe so you don't miss that video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby